What up, guys? Just wanted to come to you and let you know this last weekend we got to go out on a little quick day journey just to do some testing on some of my drones that I have. Obviously I have a lot of them, but these two are my DJI systems that are built into them, and I fly with this pair of goggles and this remote. And honestly, for a while I was having a little problems getting distance, but then I came across a hack on these and I actually raised up my milliamps big time in this. And I honestly, in this video that I'm about to show you, I didn't even come close to even having a signal loss at all, and I was getting further than I've ever flown in all my FPV time. So here's the video, here's the drones, check it out, guys.
Throwing rocks to your window pane. Kiss me once and I'll float away, but that ain't me anymore. Well, I don't mind if I sell my soul to get a song on the radio. Credit cards on my student loan, that's a millennial. Do you remember how it feels to be young? Do you remember we could be anyone? Well, I miss the view from the floor of your room. September can't wait too soon. Do you remember how it feels to be young? It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Class, we was smoking chill. It was only gym and lunch, we thought it was real. I was even feeling math, I ain't even care. Yeah, just to be around you made it worth it. I dropped out, but you still said I'm perfect. I remember at the prom, you was perfect. I remember you were walking on graduation day. I never got the chance to say, do you remember how it feels to be young? Do you remember we could be anyone? I miss the view from the floor of your room. September can't wait too soon. Do you remember how it feels to be young? It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. Yeah. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah. All the time that we spent, and I remember you were really my friend, baby. And I remember when they all looked alike, baby. Now it's crazy how they all look away. It feels great, motherfucker, yeah.